Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you class code on ClassDojo, how to get it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your ClassDojo app, and now once you are inside here, what you need to do is log in as a teacher in your ClassDojo app. Now once you are logged in here, what you need to do is select a class that you want to share the code of, and once you have tapped on the class, here on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing three dot icon. Tap on that, and now on tapping you'll be provided with bunch of options. Now select connect students. Now inside here you'll be seeing an option that says in class login, and under it you can see the show classroom code. Tap on that, and now here there are two options in order to join your class. That is your QR code. Either you can send the QR code or print the QR code to your students, or you can simply send the text code via mail or messages to your students, and once they enter the code they will be able to join your class. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.